Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. First, confirm you have your Gmail address, password, and phone for two-step verification. Open your updated browser and navigate to Mail. Google.com. Once there, click Sign In and enter your email exactly as registered. Make sure to check the email field for autofill errors. Correct them if present. If you see a single sign-on prompt, choose Use Another Account. Then type your password and click Next, so Google can begin authentication and verify your device. Once done with the initial sign-in, Google may request two-step verification. Follow the chosen method, text code, authenticator, or security key, and enter the code when prompted. Make sure to allow the browser to remember your device if it's personal, which reduces future prompts. If Google asks to turn on sync, decide whether to sync bookmarks and passwords now. Syncing helps across devices but store data locally only on trusted machines. Finally, review any security suggestions and add a recovery email if missing. You should now see your Gmail inbox. Send a quick test email to yourself to confirm sending and receiving. If you use a mail client like Outlook or Thunderbird, open Gmail settings, enable IMAP or POP, and follow the client setup with your email and app password if two-step is on. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, disable browser extensions, or reset your password. If verification SMS fails, use the Authenticator app or backup codes to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.